Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got some Christmas gifting to share with you, and this is all Sephora collection gifting. I've got 5 different sets here from 5 different price points. You'll find all details of everything I talk about in this video, as always, down below in my description. You can buy them in store and online. Plus, I've just found out as well that my Sephora code, which is BeautyGeek SPH, which entitles you to 20% off site-wide. There are some exclusions, but it can be used on Sephora collection gifting ranges. This is the Great Holiday Treats gift. It costs £59.99 and it contains 7 skincare and makeup products, 1 hair accessory, and one of the products, a blush and go, is a brand new release this year to the Sephora collection. And also you get this gorgeous bag as well. It is so cute, isn't it? Really, really cute, nice and soft. And then I've got another one here as well, which is bright orange. That's what it looks like. I love the stripes, that is so pretty. First up, we've got a vitamin C and E Super Glow Serum. It contains 7% vitamin C, and there's 30 mils there. It just says to use every day, AM and PM, and yeah, vitamin C and vitamin E is really nice and caring and hydrating for the skin and brightening as well. So there's that. I haven't tried many Sephora collection products. In their advent calendar this year, I tried a body lotion and it is gorgeous. It is really, really lovely. I love their lip stains as well, and I've got a selection of them here in different colours. But I'm trying to think what else I've had from the collection, from the Sephora collection. We've got 2 massive hair clips. So these are great for pinning your hair back, not leaving any marks in your hair while you do your skincare or makeup. Instead of pushing your hair back with a headband, use those. We've got hyaluronic acid, all day hydrator. Hydrate and glow. It's a moisturizer, 96% ingredients from natural origin, unscented as well. Can also be used as a primer before makeup as well. That. And then we've got prebiotics. This is a clean skin gel to cleanse and tone face, eyes and neck. And there's 30 mils there. Can be used AM and PM as well. Then we've got a brightening eye cream with hyaluronic acid, and there's 20 mils there. I thought it was going to be like a clay mask or something. It just looked like it would be. But no, it's an eye cream. Then we've got some makeup. This is a Love That Lift mascara in ultra black. Let's see what the wand does. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a curvy one. Can you see there? So it's a nice thin wand to grab your lashes. These type of ones are always deceiving, aren't they? I always think they're going to be rubbish, but the amount of mascaras that I've got with those skinny wands that I absolutely love. I have more mascaras like that than I do with the big massive ones now. Then we've got glossed. This is a lip gloss. It's a really pretty lip gloss. Let's try it. That's just a clear gloss. So it's got a bit of sparkle in it. Yeah, it has, just a little bit. Just a nice little gleam there. And then lastly, it's the new item that was released this year, the Blush and Glow. And this is in shade On Point. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting that. How does that work? Look at this. I've never seen anything like this before. Look at that colour, wow. Okay, right. So you've got a spongy applicator there, and then I was looking inside. Hopefully you'll be able to see in there. It is really hard. It's hard for me to see because it's dark. It's hollowed out, and then it's got little holes in the bottom. I'm assuming the sponge goes down, and that's how you get the product. I love that. I love that. Oh, it's not. I was expecting it to be this purple, but it's not. It says a liquid blush. Oh, this is so nice. It's like a water type colour, you know, like a flusher colour. Oh, that is really pretty. It feels really nice as well. Oh, yeah, I love that. That is really, really nice. I love the design of that. That is cool. So that's the Great Holiday Treats gift bag there. Let's do this one over here. So we've got the Gingerbread body set. And this retails for £35.99, and it has an exclusive gingerbread fragrance and 4 full-size products in there. So let's get them out. So you get this bag. This is just so cute. I love furry things. But yeah, it's really nice big one. It's some are wrapped up. It's a bubble bath and shower gel, and there's 260 mils. I do like this design. It's unusual, isn't it? Okay. Oh, it's really nice. Weirdly, I'm not that keen on ginger. I don't like the taste of it, but I love gingerbread. It must be part of my my sugar addiction, but I just love the smell of it, especially gingerbread lattes. We've got a moisturising body lotion, and there's 200 mils there. Well, let's give this a go then. It's a massive one, isn't it? So yeah, you'd be smelling of gingerbread from head to toe. It's a little bit more on the sweeter side, I think, than if I were to sniff a latte. It's got that distinctive Christmassy gingerbread smell, and it leaves my skin feeling really nice. We've got a scented body mist, and there's 100 mils there. It says, immerse yourself in the warm and comforting atmosphere of the holidays with Sweet and Spice limited edition gingerbread scent. Oh, the mist is nice. It is definitely more of a perfume. It's hard to... I mean, you know what I'm like. If you've seen any of my fragrance videos, you'll know I'm not great at describing. Yeah, it's definitely gingerbread, but it's got a really nice sort of perfume side to it. I don't know, vanilla-y maybe? I don't know. I don't know. And then lastly, we have got an exfoliating body granita scrub. And there is 250 mils there. So you've got a shower gel, body scrub, body lotion, and a perfume mist in this set. Oh, it's like a jelly. Look, look. Can you see? Woo! It's a jelly scrub. That smells a bit more fruity. Maybe I should just stop mentioning scents. So that's the gingerbread body set for £35. Let's get on to these smaller ones in the front here. We've got a set of 3 masks. Now this retails for £9.99 and it is worth £14.99. So 3 masks with 3 targeted benefits for glowing skin. Here are the masks. We got a skin perfecting and radiance mask with blueberry extract with hyaluronic acid. There's that one. Then we've got a purifying and clarifying mask with lemon extract and again with hyaluronic acid. And it tells you all the information on the back there and how long to leave it on, etc. And then we've got quenching and plumping effect with watermelon extract. Oh, I love watermelon. And again, hyaluronic acid. Stocking filler or Secret Santa gift maybe. So there's those. Then we've got the best lip combo. This costs £15.99 and has a value of £23.98. The lip liner has an 8-hour transfer proof formula. It contains 2 full-size products and this nudie pink combo is new for this year. So let's try this first. So this is the 8-hour colourful transfer proof lip liner in shade Perfect Beige. It's a really nice formula and the colour's nice as well. That'd be nice all over your lips. But then you have got a totally juicy lip tint. That's really, really nice. I love the lip tints. This is made in Korea. And honestly, I don't know how they differ to any other type of lip stains, lip tints, whatever. Best lip stains come from Korea and they last long. That's a really pretty colour. That's really, really nice. Yeah, I like that a lot. This is the best lip combo. There's lots of different shades, but it costs £15.99. And then lastly, I'm really excited about this because I've already tried these products before. We've got 5 lip stains in here. You can't see them properly. They're all bundled up. This costs £34.99, has a value of £69.95. We had one in the Sephora advent calendar and it's a gorgeous red colour. It might be in here actually. I'll have a look. I thought I'd broken the pom-pom, but no, I can attach it. It has come off, but I can fix that after. It looked red on the packaging, but it came out a beautiful, like cerise pink colour. It's so, so pretty. And yeah, it took me ages to get it off my hand. So there's 10-hour long wear with these lip stains, and it includes a brand new limited edition shade for this year. And they're all matte shades. There, so let's get some swatching. This is shade 122. This is a colour I would definitely wear. Got a little applicator so you can get right in there. Yeah, really pretty. Then we've got 01. Oh, this is your Christmassy red. This is stunning. That is so pretty. Really, really pretty. 94, which is more of a burgundy it looks. Oh yeah, this is really nice. I wonder if this is the one in the advent calendar. I don't think so, but it's very similar. The colour is, can you see? It's so gorgeous, isn't it? Yeah, really nice. Okay, then we've got, oh, this one's got a name. Winter Rose, and it's more of a brownie tone. This one is not for me, so I would pass that one on. And then lastly, and then we've got shade 13, which looks more like a rosy colour. See how it differs from the first one. The first one is more warmer. This is more of a pinky tone. And there you go. Besides the brown one, I love all the other ones. Really, really pretty. And I tend to go for long-lasting matte lip colours more than any other lipsticks out there. And then sometimes I might put like a lip gloss on top. Those are all the gifts. They're not the only Sephora collection gifts on the Sephora website. There are more there, but this is just a little small selection to show you. If you're interested in any of these or anything else on the Sephora website, as always, you'll find links to these down below, but I'll also pop a link to the website and my code so you can get 20% off as well. You'll find it all listed down there. But yeah, let me know if you've tried any Sephora collection products. I'd love to know what your favourites are, what you recommend I try. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.